Looking for the perfect electric skillet to upgrade your kitchen? Whether you need something for family meals, batch cooking, or versatile recipes, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric skillets, breaking down their features, pros, and cons so you can make the best choice. Let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the GreenPan CC008789 electric skillet. The GreenPan CC008789 electric skillet brings together versatility, convenience, and safety in one package, making it an attractive option for anyone seeking a multifunctional kitchen appliance. Let's explore its features, advantages, and potential drawbacks. Healthy non-stick surface. The ceramic non-stick coating eliminates the need for excessive oil, offering healthier cooking. Being free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, it ensures safe meals without harmful chemical exposure. Versatile cooking options. The 6-in-1 functionality makes it a powerhouse in the kitchen, catering to a variety of cooking techniques. This versatility reduces the need for multiple appliances, saving both space and money. Family-sized capacity. With its generous 7QT capacity and 12x15 cooking area, this skillet is ideal for preparing meals for families or batch cooking. Simple operation. The single temperature knob is intuitive and user-friendly, making it suitable even for beginners. Built to last. The durable and scratch-resistant design ensures the skillet can handle daily use without showing signs of wear. Easy cleaning. The ability to place the skillet in the dishwasher simplifies cleanup, making it a hassle-free addition to your kitchen. Safe and convenient design. Cool-tucked handles and the glass lid enhance safety and convenience, preventing burns and allowing users to monitor their food without releasing heat. Cons. Limited temperature precision. While the single temperature knob is easy to use, it may not offer the precise temperature control that some advanced cooks prefer for more delicate recipes. The GreenPan CC008789 electric skillet is a versatile, family-friendly appliance with a focus on healthy cooking and convenience. Its ample capacity, multifunctionality, and ease of cleaning make it a strong contender for busy households. While it may lack advanced temperature precision and could be cumbersome in smaller kitchens, these drawbacks are minor compared to its overall utility. Number 4 is the Black Decker SK1215BC electric skillet. The Black Decker SK1215BC electric skillet is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation. With features like an easy-to-use temperature dial, non-stick coating, and a large cooking capacity, this skillet promises convenience and functionality. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros. Easy-to-use temperature dial. The temperature control on this skillet is straightforward and allows adjustments up to 400 DEGF. Its quick-release mechanism makes it easy to remove the temperature dial, simplifying transitions from cooking to cleaning. Non-stick surface. Cooking and cleaning are hassle-free thanks to the non-stick coating. Food doesn't stick to the surface, ensuring even cooking and easy removal of residue. Effortless cleaning. This skillet's design facilitates quick cleanup. Removing the temperature dial allows the skillet to be fully submersible in water. The non-stick coating also reduces the need for scrubbing. Large capacity. Measuring 12 by 15, the skillet accommodates meals for an entire family, making it perfect for large households or gatherings. Portable and convenient. The skillet doubles as a serving dish with its removable probe and cool touch side handles. You can bring it straight to the dining table for easy serving. Tempered glass lid. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your food without lifting it, reducing heat loss. It also prevents splatters, keeping your kitchen clean. Cons. Durability of non-stick coating. As with most non-stick cookware, the coating may wear off over time if not handled properly. This requires users to be cautious with metal utensils and abrasive cleaning tools. The Black Decker SK1215BC electric skillet is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a convenient, large-capacity appliance for everyday cooking. Its ease of use, portability, and simple cleanup make it especially appealing for busy households. While it may not have advanced features or the most compact design, its practicality and performance outweigh these minor drawbacks. Coming in at number 3 is the Elite Gourmet EG2212 electric skillet. The Elite Gourmet EG2212 electric skillet is a versatile and family-friendly appliance designed to simplify mealtime with its practical features and durable construction. Whether you're cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this skillet aims to make the process easier and more enjoyable. Here's a detailed look at its benefits and potential drawbacks. Easy cleaning. The skillet's dishwasher-safe design and immersibility make post-meal cleanup quick and effortless. The ceramic non-stick coating ensures food doesn't stick, further simplifying cleaning. Durable build. The thick cast aluminum body resists rust and warping, making this skillet a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Healthier cooking surface. The ceramic coating is a safer alternative to traditional non-stick materials. It's free of harmful chemicals and provides a scratch-resistant surface that releases food easily without chipping. Consistent heating. The fully embedded heating element ensures rapid and even heat distribution, reducing the risk of hot spots and scorched food. Versatile temperature control. The temperature range of 250-450 degF allows for a variety of cooking techniques from low-temperature simmering to high-heat searing. Family-sized cooking area. The 12x12x cooking surface can accommodate meals for up to 6 people, making it ideal for families or gatherings. Transparent cooking. The tempered glass lid not only locks in flavors and moisture but also lets you monitor your food without lifting the lid, preserving heat and steam. Cons. Weight. The thick cast aluminum construction adds durability, but also makes the skillet heavier than some alternatives, which could affect portability and ease of handling. The Elite Gourmet EG2212 electric skillet combines convenience, durability, and versatility into a single appliance. Its family-sized capacity, rapid heating, and ceramic-coated non-stick surface make it a practical choice for households looking to simplify meal preparation. While its size and weight may not suit everyone, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks for most users. Number 2 is the Bella 13820 electric skillet. The Bella 13820 electric skillet is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for hassle-free cooking. Whether you're preparing a hearty breakfast, an elegant dinner, or anything in between, its durable build, quick heating, and user-friendly features make it an attractive choice for families. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons. Pros. Hassle-free cooking. The Vela electric skillet is ideal for a wide range of cooking methods, including roasting, frying, steaming, and serving as a buffet warmer. This versatility makes it a go-to appliance for everyday meals and special occasions. Family-friendly design. With its large capacity, this skillet can accommodate meals for families or gatherings. It's suitable for cooking a variety of dishes, from omelets and risottos to roasts and stir-fries. Ultra-durable build. The skillet features a cast aluminum base reinforced with premium titanium, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its scratch-resistant surface and ability to handle heavy-duty cooking tasks make it a reliable choice for busy kitchens. Fast heating. Heating up 30% faster than regular skillets, the Bella 13820 saves time and ensures evenly cooked meals, which is especially helpful for quick, weekday dinners. Adjustable temperature control. The removable temperature probe with an easy-to-use dial allows precise temperature adjustments. This reduces the risk of overcooking or burning food, ensuring consistently delicious results. Easy to clean. Thanks to its titanium ceramic non-stick coating, the skillet is fully immersible and easy to clean with warm water and soap. Its PTFE and PFOA-free design also ensures it's a healthy and safe option for cooking. Cons. Bulky design. While the large capacity is great for families, the skillet size may be inconvenient for those with limited counter or storage space. Bella 13820 electric skillet is a well-rounded and dependable appliance that excels at family-size cooking and everyday meal preparation. Its durability, fast heating, and ease of cleaning make it a practical addition to any kitchen. While it may not have advanced features or a compact design, its performance and versatility outweigh these minor drawbacks. If you're looking for an electric skillet that can handle a variety of cooking tasks while being safe and easy to use, the Bella 13820 is a solid choice. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Presto 06857 electric skillet. The Presto 06857 electric skillet is designed to be a versatile and space-saving solution for home cooks, capable of handling everything from roasting to grilling, stewing, and even baking. Its large capacity, innovative design, and easy-to-clean features make it a contender for anyone seeking a multifunctional electric skillet. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros. Versatile cooking options. The Presto 06857 supports a wide range of cooking methods, from frying and grilling to baking and stewing. This versatility reduces the need for multiple appliances in your kitchen. Large capacity. With its 16-inch pan and high sidewalls, the skillet is perfect for preparing meals for families or entertaining guests. Its capacity also makes it suitable for one-pot meals or large batches of food. Space-saving design. The innovative design allows the base to be removed and stored inside the pan when the handles are folded, making it compact and easy to store, even in smaller kitchens. Easy cleaning. The removable base and PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating make cleaning effortless. The stick-free surface ensures food doesn't cling, while the base detachment simplifies the washing process. Temperature control. The Control Master Heat Control maintains consistent cooking temperatures automatically, allowing for precise and stress-free cooking. Dual functionality. This skillet can double as a buffet server, making it ideal for parties or family gatherings where warm food needs to be served conveniently. Safe and convenient lid. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking progress while retaining heat and moisture. The Stay Cool handle enhances safety during use. Cons. Bulky when assembled. While the skillet has a space-saving storage design, its size and high sidewalls may be cumbersome for countertop use in smaller kitchens. The Presto 06857 electric skillet is a well-rounded kitchen appliance designed for versatility, convenience, and functionality. Its large capacity, compact storage design, and easy-to-clean surface make it a valuable tool for families and those who love to entertain. While it might not suit those with limited counter space or a preference for dishwasher-safe cookware, its benefits far outweigh its drawbacks.